Welcome to Airplane Story. All I have to ask, though, is why did they put this emoji for will you be able to find it? What does that have to do with the sentence you were saying? Like, how much will you be able to find it? Also, what do you mean, will you be able to find it? There's two of them. You should have said them, not it. Whatever. Yeah, this... I bet there is something that could go wrong. Yeah, let's do this. Oh my gosh, why am I so tall? I don't want to be tall. I want to be short. And the wind's one thing is because I played this game like 6 quadrillion years ago when I first started playing Roblox. I completely forget everything. I mean, I did try to make a video on this earlier, so I do remember a bit of stuff. Like, a lot, like, the first, like, 3 stuff, like, I don't know. I remember a bit of it, but most of this is going to be first-ish reactions. I wanted to make a video on this, even if I've already played it, so... Restroom? B7, so... B. I am sitting right behind these people. They probably didn't even look at their things unless they just got really lucky and got to sit next to each other. What are you even holding? What is this junk bot holding? There's nothing in his hand, and his hand is just sticking out. Like, it looks like he's supposed to be holding something, but it doesn't even, like, stick out your hand. Why is his hand out like that? I'm so confused, whatever. Okay, explore the plane. Phone, code. Scissors. Okay, I'll find my seat. 7777B. What's going on? Whatever. Why were you doing yoga on the floor? Oh no. Shaky. Alright, so that was the first event. I call everything that involves any, like, kind of just stuff happening an event, and I went through the first 3 events. So, anything that happens that isn't just him saying things is what I call an event. And this is the second event. You getting a little hamburger. And then after that, somebody gets sick. And those are the 3 events that I did. Come on. This is what you do. She does not care about this at all. Thank you for the sandwich. Dot. I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. How come every sentence he says, I give him a different voice? Yeah, I gotta find his thing. Forget his username. Oh, there it is. Oh no, it's webs, not suds. Huh? Cocos. It's not cocos. There's mine. There it is. You found your own thing. Good job, dude. Why did everybody leave already? We had like a full server. And then nobody had even died yet. Everybody was just like, no, I don't want to though. But the thing is, I don't want to. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you, we've reached a stable altitude. No, that's not how to word things, dude. Oh my gosh, it's nighttime. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Oh no, lights go, it's like a guy in the wing or something, right? Which wing? Which wing is the funny man on? There's the funny man. It's the funny man, guys. It's the funny man. Look at the funny man, guys. He's so funny. You will not survive. Are those snakies? Oh no. Okay. I did watch Flamingo's video on this for a while ago. No, you snakes, stop trying to kill. Stupid snakes trying to kill me. What'd I do? Guys, there is an open restroom. It's definitely not one of these. It's probably the one that everybody else was going to. What are you doing, Junkbot? Junkbot? Stop trying to kiss that girl. Junkbot, stop it. No, no! I will go in the toilet. I will stick my foot in the toilet. Now I will stick my foot in the sink. Now I'll stick my foot on this man's head. I'll stick it in the toilet, then I'll put it on his head. He now has toilet germs all over his head. I mean, he is wearing the winning smile. He does not care about anything. This... Why does it say bathroom on the outside and lavatory on the inside? That doesn't make sense, though. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. I'm gonna give all the girls really dark, low voices, and then all the boys really high voices. Because obviously, power is back up. Is the funny man still there? Funny man is gone. The creature on the wing is also gone. No! How dare you call him the creature on the wing? He is the funny man. Scissors. Yes, scissors. There are scissors, sir. What do you want to do with the scissors? Do you want to cut this curtain? That would be very pointless, but I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen masks will drop from over your seats. Take one quick! Where? There's none. There we go. I think I got one. Yes, I got one. What? This man just does the thing and then just does absolutely nothing. Okay, well, it's just me and him because everybody else just leaves or just is an idiot and kills themselves. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! One looks like a bomb. Oh no. Oh wait, did I have to be the person to get the bomb? What are we going to do? He needs to save me. I will stand behind his back until he saves me. Yes, that is something sharp, I believe. I think it is sharp. I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? I don't know, one of them? One of them, cut one of them. I will cut the right cable. No. Huh? Yay! I'm not dead forever! Yay, we did it! We did it! We did it, guys! We did it. We did it. Look at me, guys! I'm playing J-Toad today. Oh, I mean, where'd the scissors go? Wait, was this the side they were at? And this, we haven't heard from the crew in a while. They are unconscious! We need to alert the captain! They are very depressed. They look like they're kind of just depressed there. Shut up. Quickly, get to the captain room. Okay, Buster, I'm gonna go to the captain room. I'm using my feet to jump. I don't need to jump, but I'm jumping. Why did it do the funny shake? It did the silly shake. Something is happening. I know what's happening inside. He's dead. This door needs a code. I don't know, it was on the other side. What was it? It was like 7482? 74, where do I enter? How do you enter, dude? There's no way to, there's no like code thing. How do you enter the code? How did we enter the... Oh, it's the funny man. No, it's the funny man. You are wrong. It is the funny man. I'm just whispering in his ear. It's the funny man. You will pay for what you've done. What? Get away from you because you were trying to kill us? You think you are here in an accident? Yes, I never did anything bad here. You were the one who did things bad. I have never seen you in my life, and now you're trying to kill us. You are the bad one here. You are the one in the wrong. I just went on an airplane trip to go to Paris, or, I don't know, France, or something. But you are trying to murder us! I just wanted to go to France, and you're trying to murder us. I just wanted to wear a beret and eat things. And have a baguette. See you in the afterlife. Stop shaking, it's hurting my eyes. Button. Press that button. No, that doesn't button. Okay, none of the buttons do anything. Yeah, I already knew. I could kind of see. I have shift. I don't think this game knows that shift lock exists. I could probably just shift lock out of the plane. Yeah, this plane looked terrible. This is not a structurally sound plane. We need to find the autopilot button. It's this one. No, it's this one. No, it's this one. No. Click everything. Okay. But there's no button that says everything. Oh, there we go. Now it's hard to click things because the screen is shaking and it's annoying. Oh, we found the button. I'm a hacker. You do everything immediately. You found the button. Now everything's calm. I want to drive the plane. Why couldn't I have? We did it! We saved the plane! It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. What happens when a character that looks like so happy like this gets angry or like annoyed? Just a face like that. Just, I'm so mad at you. I'm so angry. Now we need. Oh, I remember seeing. I know where. My name is Noah. It's actually not. Don't call me Noah in the comments. My name isn't Noah. I'm not telling you my name. I'm not sharing any personal information. Hello, we need help. Our captain is dead in real life. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay, we've traced your location and we are taking control. There was one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. I will. Me. I do it. I'll do it. Me. Let me do it. Me. I will. Me. I got there faster. I win. I did it. I'm doing it. Okay, everyone. I got this. Oh. I got this? I don't think I do. Don't crash the plane! No, don't do it! Oh no, the funny man is back. You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance, friends_PZ. Crash this plane and we will roll the underwater for eternity. Crash it. Yeah, I'll crash the plane. I want to die. It's not because I want to rule the underworld. I want to die. Oh no, I'm going to fall. No. All this time you trusted friends_PZ, and he was always on my side. No, take us home, friends_PZ. Yes, master. I didn't know I was going to turn into his freaking servant. I just was depressed. I was just sad. I also didn't actually know how to drive a plane. How do you know I just didn't know how to drive a plane, and that's why I crashed it? That's the reason I crashed it. I don't know how to steer a plane. I've never driven anything in my entire life. Panda! Oh my god, it's a little panda boy! He's a panda